is totally wrong or di kaya useless yung label na yon, you can delete that. Okay? Retain niyo kung ano yung mas okay na label. So in this case, para itong merong mas maliit na backyard dito, yung i-retain ko is etong isa kasi mas accurate yung label na to na isa. This one, i-delete ko. So naka-group yan, ungroup, select, and then delete. Okay? That is the only time na pwede tayo mag-delete ng label kapag nagsasapaw sila. You have to retain kung alin yung mas magandang label or kung alin yung mas accurate na label, and then the other one you can delete. Do you understand? Huwag basta-basta mag-merge. Labelers, make sure to check that as well later, checkers. Okay? Makikita nyo yan sa edited view if ever na nag-merge sila ng building, or if not, ayan, nagiging pula. Mamaya check nyo yan dito sa edited view. Ayan, kung naka-yellow yan, ibig sabihin, merge lang ni labeler yan. Okay? Or hindi kaya in-edit niya. So for that, if that is the case, later on, you can ask them to revert or revert it yourself. Do you understand, checkers? Okay. So for this, another geometry error, this one. So what do you think? Alin yung mas maganda i-retain? This one, yung nasa baba, or yung nasa taas? This one or this one? Let's say, ito yung A, ito yung B. Alin yung dapat i-retain? Kasi
B.
ayan yung itsura ng building.
B.
Ha?
B.
Okay. So yung letter A na to, i-delete lang natin yan. I-retain natin itong isa, and then that's good. Okay? This one? Okay. This one, meron din naman pala itong comment. Okay. Na-check for false alarm. So tama lang din yung decision natin na dinilit natin itong isa, di ba? I-retain natin itong isa. Huwag basta-basta mag-merge. Okay? Labelers? Checkers? Okay. So right after nun, all you need to do again is to submit. Okay? This one, false alarm, false alarm. So double check natin kung nasa atin yung part na yan. Nasa top. Nasa top pero na-label na system. Okay? So yung gagawin na natin is to select and then delete. Make sure to delete. Huwag kakaligtaan yan, please. Napakadali lang din naman. Right after nun, ayun, submit. This one, nasa tubig. Delete. Submit. Lipat sa kabila. False alarm. Ground. Select. Delete. Submit. As easy as that, makakarami kayo. And then as easy as that, lalaki yung income nyo. Basta tama lang yung ginagawa nyo. Wala mag-auto-pass. Tenured labelers na nandito, don't auto-pass, please. Kasi mamaya, mabablock kayo. Okay? Uso pa naman sa amin sa mga checkers yung report. Naintindihan nyo? This one is a building. But the problem is, nasa tubig siya. Yung iba na to, nasa lupa. Diba? Kung nakikita ninyo, yung kalahati or di kaya yung buong building is nasa lupa. So, we can retain that. This one, nasa tubig. Diba? So, you can delete. This one, false alarm. Yan, delete. Alt S, Control T. Later on, mas marami yung magkakaroon ng sync context na error. Ayun, Alt S lang tayo kasi madali yung tab. Mabilisan lang yung pasa. Magkakaroon kayo ng mga sync context na issues. Okay? This one, ayan. False alarm, select, delete. Make sure na wag nyo itong isama kasi hindi naman yan, wala naman yung comment dyan. Ay, meron pala. False alarm again. So, hindi daw ito building. So, select, delete. This one, false alarm, nasa tubig, select, delete. This one. This one. This one, I think, building naman talaga to. So, you can retain. This one, I am not sure. Medyo may kaliitan na rin compared dito sa building. Pero, natabunan sa siguro ng puno. So, ayun. We can retain some labels which is building naman talaga. Okay, labelers? This one, I think that is a building. Yes, delete. Binalik ko yung label, sorry. Retain. Retain this one. This one naman, retain din natin. Okay? Kasi halos kasing laki lang siya ng mga bahay dito. So, medyo black and white lang yung image. So, i-retain natin. But this building na nasa tubig, ayan, delete natin. And after that, you can submit. This one, false alarm again. Nasa tubig. Select, delete. This one, false alarm. Ayun, nasa tubig na siya. So, pinapa-delete nila. Kasi yung isang to, wala din naman tong label, di ba? Hindi naman na nilagyan nila ng comment na misbuilding. Ibig sabihin, delete talaga yan. After that, click Control T, then submit. This one, okay. Para sa isang to, wala siyang false alarm na comment, pero meron siyang overlap issue. Okay? And yung label is ambiguous or hindi kaya natabunan ng clouds. For this one, alin yung mas magandang i-retain? This one yung nasa top or yung nasa baba? This one or this one?
Baba.
Okay. Anyone else? Yung nasa taas or nasa baba? This one or this one? Which is better to retain? Ha?
Delete yung pangit ng shape.
Sinong pangit na i-delete? Alin? Yung nasa taas or nasa baba?
Pangit yung shape.
Pangit. Define talaga yung pangit. Sige. Yung pangit yung shape. Alin yung pangit ng shape? This one or this one?
Taas.
Nasa taas. Ayun, doon na tayo. Huwag na pangit. So, ayun. I-delete natin itong nasa taas. May nagsabi kanina yung nasa baba. Okay? Yung nasa baba na to, like I said, ambiguous. Okay? May clouds. Black and white yung image dito sa gilid. Yung gagawin na lang natin is to check the neighbors. Okay? For this neighbor, mga building na to, as you can see, yung size and then yung shape nila, medyo may kalakihan. If we delete this one, di ba? Saka i-retain tong isa, iba yung shape niya compared sa iba. Di ba? So yung kailangan natin gawin, kailangan natin i-delete is this one yung nasa top. Okay? Hindi naman natin pwede sabihin na backyard house lang to. Diba? Kasi wala namang main building dyan. So, ibig sabihin, ito talaga yung main building niya, ambiguous lang natabunan ng puno. Do you understand? Labelers or checkers? Okay, so right after that, double check natin kung meron pang topo. Wala. For the comment. Geometry error lang. So, ayun. Submit. As easy as that. Okay? Mamaya makakakuha kayo ng mga dense map. So, mga dense map na yon, may mga comment doon na false alarm, yung iba. For the comment false alarm, hindi naman ito lahat tama. Okay? Meron dito mga maling comment na false alarm. Like for example, building naman talaga kagaya nung kanina, tapos may comment siya na false alarm. Kung nakikita ninyo na building naman talaga siya, you can retain that. But for these buildings na nasa too big, na may comment, you have to delete those. Okay? This one, ayan, false alarm. This one, false alarm. Ayun, parang lupa na rin naman talaga itong isa na to. So, kailangan natin i-delete yan. Right after nun, pasa. This one, okay. Nasa tubig lang din naman. I-delete natin mamaya yan. And then, papasa. Okay. This one, alin yung mas maganda i-retain dito? Yung nasa top or nasa bottom na to? Base sa mga kapitbahay. Alin yung mas magandang i-retain? Top. Right. This one, wala naman siguro ng bahay na ganito na nakadikit sa bahay pa ito na isa. Diba? So, we can delete this one and then retain this one. Mas reasonable. Diba? Mas reasonable yung area niya tsaka yung position niya. Diba? Kahit sabihin pa natin mas malaki nga yung building na nasa baba, kung unreasonable naman niya siguro yung position niya, pwede naman na natin i-delete yon kasi hindi naman yun yung tamang label, di ba? This one, ayan, magkadikit nga sila ng isang to. So, ayun, kailangan natin silang i-delete, i-retain natin tong isa, mas reasonable yung position niya. After that, check natin yung ibang comment, false alarm, this one, ungroup. Yung iba naka-group ha, so make sure to ungroup, please. Delete. Lipat sa kabila, false alarm. Again, this one is also false alarm. So, ayun, di-delete natin yan. This one. Oh, false alarm din naman pala to. Okay. So, pareho sila. Di-delete na lang din natin silang tatlo. Diba? So, ayun, pasa. Alin pa ba? Mayroon ba tayo dito mga mapa na hindi dapat i-delete? Saglit. Okay. This one. Okay, overlap. Geometry error lang din naman to. So, ayun. This one, ayan, naka-group silang lahat. So, all we need to do is to ungroup that first. Okay, shifted yung buildings, guys. Okay, shifted yung buildings. No need for you guys to move those buildings or labels. Okay, ignore natin please yung pagiging shifted nila. Wag ninyong ise-select tapos i-move yan. Okay, hindi yan pwede. Please don't do that. Uulitin ko. Okay, for this one, meron tayong mga geometry error. Tsaka, alin pa ba yun? Building overlap. Ayan. Diba? So, yung gagawin lang natin, i-delete natin yung pinakawalang silbi na label or if not, yung pinaka-useless na label, di ba? Ito yung nasa gitna na to, as you can see. Di ba? Nakasapaw na siya sa iba. Kung i-retain natin tong isa, mas reasonable. Saka ito. Di ba? Yung gagawin natin, select and then delete. Later on, checkers, sa side ninyo, make sure to check the edited view. Okay? Makikita ninyo dyan yung mga naka-yellow. Diyan kayo mag-focus, dyan ninyo i-check. If kaya lang din naman ninyo i-edit na lang ninyo kung mali naman talaga yung ginawa ni labeler. But later on, kapag sobra-sobra na si labeler, please report them para ma-block namin sila. Okay? Later on, Abdullah, I will make another session for you guys. Okay? Kasi madugo na yung ilong ko. Magmi-meeting tayo mamaya. So sorry. I will do a meeting for you guys later. Okay? For the international people. Sorry. Okay, guys. Hello? International labelers or checkers. I will do another meeting for you guys later on. Okay, so sorry. Okay, we'll do another meeting later. Right after this one. I will send the link. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. So, ayun. Continue tayo. Pagkatapos niyan, gagawin na lang ninyo. Ala na rin naman, di ba? Sasubmit nyo na lang. Submit that map. Kaya yun lang, continuous lang, paulit-ulit tayo, ganun lang naman yung gagawin. Delete, recheck kung building naman talaga, kung nasa tubig, delete, kasi hindi na rin naman natin kailangan i-retain yan. This one, delete as well. After nun, submit.
Okay. Attendance ka, boss?
Kukuha ko ng attendance. Okay. So if all goods na kayo, okay na, naintindihan ninyo, okay, send ako ng attendance ngayon. Make sure to fill up with the correct email and site name. Okay? So, ito, sasend ko yung link ng attendance. Fill up this form. International labelers or checkers from another country. You can fill up that form for initial attendance. But later on, I will have to do another meeting for you guys. Okay? Or you can make a Gmeet link and then send it to me. Okay, Abdullah? For checker and then labeler. Default role ito. Okay. Fill up that form para ma-verify kayo. If hindi kayo nag-fill up ng form, hindi kayo mag-verify. Pag mali yung inyong email tsaka site name, hindi rin kayo mag-verify. As easy as that. Okay? Okay, guys. We have a total of 363 people here in this Gmeet. Make sure to fill up that form because if not, you will not get verified. Don't over-edit, please. And again, you can retain those false alarm buildings or comments na may mga buildings na building naman talaga. Okay? But you need to delete those buildings na hindi dapat. Okay? If you're done filling up the attendance, you can leave this Gmeet or you can leave this Gmeet.
Thank you, boss.